Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today for this video I'm going to be doing a Powerpuff Girls inspired makeup tutorial. So the first thing I'm doing is creating a circle on my forehead, and I'm using concealer. You can use any concealer that you have, and I'm only doing one on camera, and then I'm going to do the rest off camera just to show you guys an example of what to do. Now, for the next step, I'm using the Anastasia lip palette, and I'm going to be outlining the faces. So like I said before, I'm just doing one on camera, and then I'm doing the rest off camera. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I don't have a lot of space on my camera, so I was just trying to save space. And you can use liquid liner if you choose, but I just used the lip palette because that was all I had. Okay, so for this next step, I'm going to be tracing in Buttercup's hair. So I'm using that same lipstick, and I'm going to be creating like a bang, and in the middle it's going to be shaped like a triangle, so there's going to be a gap there. And yeah, so you can't really see it now because it's unfocused, but once it's focused, then you're going to see how it looks. Okay, so that's how it looks when it's done. And then for the tip of the hair, you're going to create like a triangle almost, but with like a curve. So it's supposed to be like a curvy. I don't know. Wait, hold on. That didn't make any sense. It's supposed to be curved. Yeah, so you can just watch what I'm doing and then you will get it. Alright, so I'm using the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Vault, and I'm using a purple from that kit. And you can use any purple that you have. You can use green if you have it, if you choose. All I had was purple, that's why I'm making her purple. So I'm going to be creating a circle for her eyes. So you just create like a circle shape, and then you're going to use black liner, and then you're going to go in the circle and create another circle, a smaller circle. And then you're going to use a white, and then you're going to create like a white dot in the middle to create the eyes. And I use the white NYX liquid liner, and yeah, that's pretty much it for the white dots. And after you're done creating the shape of the eye, you're going to go in with black liner, and you're going to outline the eyes. And that's how it should look. Now for the body, you're going to create triangles, and I just use the same product that I used for the eyes. I didn't show this on camera, but all I did was use black liner, and I created stripes across their body or their dresses, and I'm outlining their dresses. Okay, now for their hands, I am just creating like an oval shape. So I start from one side and then connect. And I'm basically going to make it look as if they're holding hands. And that's pretty much it. And then I'm just finishing the rest of their feet. Okay, and I forgot to mention, you want to make sure to fill in the hands with concealer so that you can clean it up. Now to create the socks, I'm going in with that same white liner, and I'm going to just fill in the legs. And after that, after you're done putting in all the whites, you want to make sure that you go over it with black liner, because it's going to look very smudgy and messy. So to clean it up, you want to go over and outline it again with some black liner. And then after you do that, then, you know, that's pretty much it. And that is the end of this tutorial, guys. I hope this was helpful. And yeah, thanks for watching.